In this video, I'm going to show you how to paper trade on IBKR Mobile. Now, as you can see, currently I'm in my paper trading account because at the top it says simulated trading, okay? So to do this, actually, let me sign out to show you because you have to sign out of your account in case you are currently inside your real account. So go to top left, tap on those three dots, scroll to the bottom, and then over here at the bottom it says log out. So just tap on log out and then tap on log out again, and it's going to log you out of the app. And as you can see, it says currently I'm inside a simulated paper trading. So if you don't see this, then usually you are on this page, which is basically the live login to your real account. So to actually paper trade, simply here on the login page, tap at the very top right where you can see the three dots, and then tap on login to paper trading, and then there we go, everything is going to turn red over here, and you can type in your same username you used for your real account and the same password you use for your real account as well, and just tap on simulated trading, log in, and that's gonna basically log you in, and you can start trading with paper money. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.